Hello again, everyone. So we got a movie here. This one came all the way from Australia. So let's. This is Umbrella Entertainment, if I'm not mistaken. So let's see what we got here. Now, this obviously had to pass through customs and stuff to get to me. So this is a movie that represents my childhood and the childhood of a lot of other people. And I don't even think it had a Blu-ray, if I'm not mistaken. But I never owned this movie until now. So, there we have. There's the back. We have the Super Mario Brothers movie on 4K. So, this movie was inspired from the video game, and I guess you could say the popularity of that in the television series. From the video game came out in the late 80s, the first Super Mario Brothers. That was very popular, which turned into, like I said, a TV show, and there's the card. This movie. Trust the Fungus. So this movie is not great at all. The movie itself, I didn't mind it, but yeah, I mean, like I said, this was our childhood, so that's why I'm glad to have it. So inside we have some nice plastic covers. That's the 4K right there. There's the Blu-ray. I'm not sure if the Blu-ray is compatible, because like I said, this did come from Australia, so I'll have to check that out. So anyway, really cool little set here from Umbrella Entertainment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one.
I got a feeling we're not in Brooklyn no more.
They're brothers. They're plumbers.
Oh no. Mario! Luigi!
They're on the trail of a kidnapped princess and a mystical meteorite.
It's incredible!
That gives anyone who possesses it the power to rule the universe.
Get me the rock! Come and get it, lizard breath!
Now, they must rescue the princess.
Alien species escaping.
And make it safely back.
Later, alligator.
To our world.
Are you alright?
Before time runs out.
Shoot him! Get him! Yes! No, not again!
Super Mario Brothers. This ain't no game.